Good morning everyone. Today we have Neha Negi with us. She has just started her Distinctive Abacus level 3 and she is going to do 3 operations: addition, subtraction and multiplications together. Can we start, Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5. Your answer multiplied by 3.
75.
Yes, louder. Yes, make 7, add 5, add 8, add 6, add 9, add 4, add 3. Your answer multiplied by 6.
252.
Yes, next question. Make 7, add 5, add 8, add 9, add 2, add 9, add 3. Your answer multiplied by 5.
215.
Yes. Next question. Make 6, add 5, minus 6, add 8, add 4, add 7, add 6, add 2. Your answer multiplied by 9.
288.
Yes. Next question. 5, 4, minus 7, add 8, add 3, add 7, add 2, add 8, add 6, add 5. Your answer multiplied by 7.
287.
Very good. Wonderful.